Assalamualaikum. Today I am going to show you how to change YouTube shorts thumbnail. So for this reason I have to go at first my YouTube channel. There is my videos. From this video list, at first I have to choose the short and then click on the pen icon and go to edit mode. There we can see here have no changing option from desktop, so we have to go on mobile app to change our thumbnail. So here is my channel and here I have my shorts. From the shorts I have to select one by clicking three dot icon, then edit button. From this, here have top left there is thumbnail image, and here have also a pen icon. Click on this and choose the short option to select thumbnail picture, then click on this picture and click the save button. Then it will be change your shorts thumbnail. So here is the short thumbnail changing process. Thank you so much.